Bro turned his shoe into a weapon.
Bro, wait!
Little bro was traumatized. Bro was actually insane. I didn't expect that reaction.
Why did he throw it?
Be careful my TV though. I know you clumsy as fuck, for real.
Oh damn.
He's definitely grounded.
Bruh.
Well, that was satisfying. That's gotta hurt.
Yes! So good. No!
Such a big bag. It's noodles.
What?
Yes, I love noodles.
Why is it blue?
I don't know.
Ooh, that's bread! What?
No, Simon. That's good sauce. Yes! Good sauce.
Can I get one?
No, Big Bag, you told me at McDonald's. Ooh,
That's pizza.
not fair.
I love pizza! Don't forget the pineapple. Drugs, you ruined it! More for me. Ooh, that's a salad! Yes! Wait, no! I don't want to eat this. Fine.
Good boy.
Ooh, that's a potato! What?
What do you mean salad is fried?
What?
Yay!
Tiny, look over there!
You're not yours, Big Bag.
Oh.
Burrito.
What?
Yay! Ooh, I love burritos.
Why are you eating it like that?
I don't know. Ooh, that's a Burger King burger. What?
No, Tiny, that's a McDonald's burger! Yes! I love burgers.
Wait, can I have a bite?
Fine, only if everybody likes this video, I'll let you have a bite.
Yeah.
A straw?
Let me up.
Oh, damn, alright.
Damn.
Here you go,
No,
bro.
I don't want that one. A sour straw.
A sour? Oh, sour straw, alright. What's he gonna do with that? Here you go, bro. What the? How do you open that?
Shut up.
Oh my god. No, what?
Tasty. Yeah.
Not the rainbow one. The red ones?
Yeah.
Okay. I wonder why. Here you go, buddy. Whoa! What's happening? You okay?
Y'all, if the top of the pot starts spinning, what that mean? Like what I'm supposed to do at this point?
Lagi lah TV ni. Ada nak LMP.
What guy?
Ow! Jesus! Fuck!
Oh.
Твою мать! Oh! Oh shit! Hey! Fuck! Hey! Fire! Turn out, bro!
No, Dad.
Yeah.
Yeah, it like slipped. And, like,
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Again?
Oh yeah!
of the day. Why do bees have sticky hair? Because they used a honeycomb.
You've been talking to me like Mario all day long.